Hello guys, welcome to Rich's Game. Today we have a PlayStation 5 controller. A client brought this. The complaint was this only charges but doesn't come on when connected to the PlayStation 5. So it only shows the orange lights and that's all, nothing else. Also, we have other controllers available for service and stocks for pickup if you need as well. For this, let's give it our best and see if we can bring this back to life ASAP for the customer. So let's give it a test and confirm the complaint as the customer claims. So as you can see, as you connect the cable, it only indicates the orange lights and goes up. Nothing else happens here. Just that. So for this, let's connect the game part to the system to test. Oh, and for all your gaming needs and accessories, you can check out our website, which is game.ng. So test controller. Most every button seems to be working fine. Every other button, except for the power button, which triggers as X. So the X and the power button issues the same function. So making the power button not to power. So for this, let's tear this controller down. Let's just get it disassembled and get to the root cause. So let's fast forward that though. So we are back here again. So we finally disassembled the controller. As you can see, this is down to the pieces. So let's identify what the issues were. That is the flex. So the flex is the primary problem with this controller that needs to be completely replaced. So the one I'm currently holding now is the damaged flex. Checking whether there's a cut in it and all that. So we have to replace that with the new one. As you can see, this is a new one that is to be replaced for this part to get back to life. So we will assemble this afresh again and show you at the finished off work. Fast forward again. We are done with this controller finally and we are ready to send it back to the client. But before that, we need to confirm it again from the system to make sure it's fully functional. Also, we did mention earlier that the analog were worn out, so we also replaced the analog sticks, the left and right analog sticks, as you can see, is all looking brand new from here. So all the buttons are responding effectively and the power button is also responding effectively. So I believe that is all. We are done here. So this item is fully functioning right now and it also powers as it's supposed to. This is good to go. We'll see you guys on the next one.